don't know if you can tell, but those little feet lower now. See? When I turn the switch, now they're down and fabric won't get caught on them, so I can free motion sew. And then, I'm gonna do regular sewing again. They came back up. Now, down, up, down, up. Yay! When I spin the stitch width dial, this is supposed to move back and forth, the needle bar, but it's stuck. I think it's gummed up in there.
Right, bro, we gotta unstick that.
It's unstuck. Moves back and forth. Use the same hair dryer trick. It's working. It's zigzagging.